For bright field or the transmitted light images, choose the BF experiment from the list. Don't forget to push the knob to the end to activate the axial cam 305 color to image your sample. Clicking live. Work with the transmitted light or the bright field image. Choose the BF experiment from the list. By clicking live, you start previewing the sample. Right now, you can adjust the brightness of your sample by adjusting the exposure time over here. By adding more time, you make your sample brighter. Once you're done, you click stop and click snap. If you have to have a bigger field of view of your image by doing a simple tie, next to the snap button, click the drop down and you can see that there are the preset tile snap of the image. For example, 3x3 snap will include 9 images of your field of view together. Now it will start acquiring the 9 images right away. The image that you see here is not complete yet because each of the field of view is not completely tiled together. You can see some of the border over here. To fix that, you go to processing, search for the method called stitching. Input your image over here and then choose fuse tile to fuse those tiles together and then click apply. Wait for the blue line to finish. Now your image is perfectly stitched and seamless. For the more complex commands of the tiling, you click Tiles under the Z stack, and then it will show the multidimensional acquisition windows of tiles again. You click Show Viewer to start inputting your command. For tiles, click the first button over here and now you can choose or input the number to make your tiles region. It can be any number. For example, it can be 5 by 2. And you click Add Tile Region. You click Live again. To make sure that your sample is in focus, by adjusting any focus, you need to update your Z position. Going to the tile region you input earlier and then right-click and choose Set Current Set for the selected tile regions. Once you're done, you click Stop and click Start Experiment to start acquiring your tile images. Now your image is done. Don't forget to go to Processing tab and do the stitching before you save your image. After applying the oil and use the oil objective lens, you can now start working with your experiment. Clicking Live, you can now see your preview image. Once you're ready, click Snap. The image, you can further process it and enhance some of the brightness of your sample by clicking each of the channel. You can either cut out the background of your image by scrolling this panel to the right, or make it brighter by moving it to the left-hand side.